Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing through all my wash day routine to help promote length retention and get the maximum amount of moisture. Hope you all enjoy and let's get started. I first start by doing an apple cider vinegar rinse on my hair using raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, which is better for natural hair. I put 1 part ACV, which is apple cider vinegar, and 3 parts water into a spray bottle and spray it into my hair section by section. I focus mainly on the roots because that is where all my buildup is. I also take my fingers and massage the apple cider vinegar mixture into my scalp to help remove any buildup. Any excess product I will run down my hair because sometimes I will have buildup in my hair as well. Once I finish one section, I move on to the next and do those exact same steps. Oh, and by the way, apple cider vinegar smells terrible, so I only do this step once a month. Once I have applied the apple cider vinegar to all the sections, I put on a plastic cap and let it sit in my hair for 5 minutes. So my 5 minutes are up and I want to go ahead and show you guys how my curls look after doing the ACV rinse. Y'all, my hair has a ton of shine and my curls are super defined and rid of any buildup. Like, look at it. I love doing this once a month. It's totally worth it. Of course, I need to rinse out the apple cider vinegar rinse, so here I am just rinsing it out with warm water. Next, I'm going to take my Mielle Organics conditioning shampoo and shampoo my hair. Now, this step is optional, but I like to do this step because it helps me to get rid of the apple cider vinegar smell, and this shampoo doesn't have any sulfates or harsh chemicals, so it doesn't dry my hair out at all. Now, if you feel like your hair is already clean and doesn't smell, just skip the step. Once I have finished shampooing my hair, I rinse that out as well using warm water. Next, I'm going to condition my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner. You guys already know how much I love the deep conditioner from this line, and the regular conditioner is no different. It adds so much moisture back into my hair and makes my hair feel so manageable and soft. I simply just smooth and rake the product all over my hair while lightly detangling. And then once I'm done with that, I rinse my hair out with warm water. My deep conditioner of choice for today is the Mielle Organics Babassu Deep Conditioner, but I always rotate my deep conditioners weekly. I section my hair off into halves and work the deep conditioner in from root to tip. I love the deep conditioner because it adds both protein and moisture back into my hair and makes my curls feel strong and healthy. You guys can see here how much shedding I have. I have very minimal shedding, and that's because this wash day routine minimizes shedding while also helping me to retain length. Now I'm going to move on to the other half and apply my deep conditioner. Once I have applied the deep conditioner, I put on a plastic cap and let it sit in my hair for 15 to 20 minutes, either under a heated dryer or a steamer. Once the 15 minutes are up, I shake my hair so that way my curls clump together, and then I rinse out my deep conditioner with cold water. A huge tip to get maximum definition is to not rake your hair during this step. I simply just let the water fall down my hair, or I will smooth my hair with my hands, but I do not rake my hair with my fingers. And like I mentioned, I am doing this with cold water because it helps to close the hair cuticle and seal in the moisture. these are my curls post-wash routine, and I am loving them. Moisture and definition for days. Lastly, I typically put my hair into twists and wear twists throughout the week because I retain more moisture that way and my hair isn't snagging on my clothes, so I'm able to retain length and prevent breakage. So you guys, that's it for my wash day routine. Hope you all found it helpful. Please comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.